HTPC or personal computer connected to the TV or projector as the main source of multimedia playback and video games is an option that many users prefer to take into account thanks to its great versatility. It is the 915 model, with full ATX size and shape and available in black and silver colors, characterized by the use of aluminum and tempered glass as building materials. With nice rounded shapes on the front and back, the most spectacular feature of this box is perhaps the upper glass elevation system to improve ventilation of the equipment when necessary by pressing a button. It also has an RGB LED lighting system that gives more character to the front of a large and heavy box, since it has dimensions of 595 x 230 x 645 mm and 16.4 kg. The connectivity is served by several USB 3.1 ports Type A, another Type C and the classic ports for audio output,